Good day to you, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Jeff Goodwin from Forex Trading for Beginners. I have some fantastic news for you. I want to share with the screen, but before we do that, we have traders here from all around the world. So whether you're a beginner or whether you're perhaps someone struggling to become profitable, I believe I've got something that might just make your life a lot easier. It's the second version of this. It's called Ninja Colors 2.0. That's right, it's an upgrade. Here we go. So I'm going to do it on gold, ladies and gentlemen. It's a 10-minute time frame, 10-minute time frame on gold. Well, lots of squiggly things and all these things, but we'll just remove these off here for a minute. That's right. So the first thing we look for with this, ladies and gentlemen, the first thing we look for in this is either a red or a green zone, as you can see here. These represent, for some people would call these support and resistance. Some people call them supply and demand. There are differences, but let's just keep it simple just now. Yeah. When price is up at the red zone, we're potentially looking for it to come down to a previous green or a future green here, depending on what's been previously. So that's the first thing, step one. So that's the first thing we look for. Yeah, I'm going to break it down and I'm going to show you a replay of this. Step two, what we do is we look to see if the candles are green or the red. So green's going up and red's coming down. You can see there go red up and red down. You know, up and down. Yeah. Next thing we look for is we'll have this green or red trend. The trend is green, it means up, and it's down, it means it's red. So all we're doing, ladies and gentlemen, all we're doing is matching the colors. Green for a buy and red for a sell. So we'll have the red here for a block, came up here, and it came down. But the thing in here, we've got a green zone here. So we would not enter this while we're still in a green zone. Yep. Although we do have a red here, saying down, and the red is over the green. Yep, and it is going down, but safety. Yeah, and this is the volume at the bottom. Yeah, so let's take it from there. We'll take it slowly, then we'll give you the add-ons, which brings into 2.0. So what I'll do is, I'm going to go to normal candles here for a minute. Normal candles, nothing fancy. And all I'm going to do, give me for a minute, I'm going to go a replay just before there, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. Then we'll bring in the upgrade. We'll show you the upgrade shortly. Here we go. Here we go. I'm going to play this. So price went up there. It spiked up, broke through this area here. We created a new high. We got a new high here. Yeah, what's it going to do? It's rejected it, ladies and gentlemen. It's rejected this zone. Yeah. So if that was us, and we're on a 10-minute, our next one there is this red zone here. Look at that. Thank you very much. Depending on your broker, that would either been 192 pips or 19. Yep, my broker would be 19. So we rejected. I'll carry on. So I'm breaking this down step by step. But we wouldn't have taken that. Why would we not take that? Because we're still in a green zone. Yeah, we want everything to match. Looking for everything to match. Okay, we're now in a red zone. We'll stop that there. So let's match these up at that point there. You see how it went along actually? Yeah, one along. As a 25-year currency trading veteran, what's the colour down below? The colour's red. That's right. The colour's red, ladies and gentlemen. The colour is red. Look at the volume. We're now in some nice red volume. So see how it's all matching up. Yeah. Now, currency strength. We have our demon currency strength up here. And you see with the demon currency strength, it's way, you see the sellers are way higher, meaning it's really pushing it rather than the buyers. Red for high, meaning sellers in control. The green was high, the buyers in control. You see that's the push right up. And there was a little bit more in our colours, Ninja Colours original. Now with 2.0, what we've done is, we've added in, what we've done, that's right, ladies and gentlemen, we've added in price action. We've added in engulfing candles. We've added in Heikin-Ashi candles. So we're using momentum. So inside this zone here, or further down here, you see here we've added price action to make it even easier. Engulfing candles, so that the red is larger than the previous green. Yeah, excellent. And it pushes down. That would have been a nice one to push down there to that one. Very nice. Now I'm going to keep this going, ladies and gentlemen, just to continue it. Very nice indeed. This is in the 10-minute, and it just keeps going. Thank you very much. Stop. Now, exit the trade. Why? Look at the momentum. The momentum has just dropped out. We've got a green candle here, we've got volume here. So we've got two volumes, and it's just dropped out. Exit the trade. Probably this one here. Although we have got another rejection area here. That'd be interesting to see what happens here. Yeah, it changes colour here. Let's get this red. See that? So that was a nice winning trade, 1 out of 1. Thank you very much. Would you be disappointed if you traded along with me and you got like that there? Not at all. Thank you very much. Now, along came 2.0. Not only did we add price action with engulfing candles, we said, let's take it a whole new level with the Ninja trading system. Let's take it to the fact of multi-time frame engulfing candles. So that's the 5-minute, the 15-minute. The time frame in this is 10-minute. 30-minute, the hour, 4-hour, daily. Ladies and gentlemen, this is such a powerful system we've put together for you. And I'm going to share that with you right now. Now let's look at where we're up here. At this point here, where we're getting 1, 2, 3, this is a 5-minute one here, where we're getting 3 engulfing candles saying a sell. Yep, 5, 15. 30-minute, the hour. Strong, pushing down. So, yeah, did come back up slightly, but that's okay. Then we got another 3. So I'm starting to feel it. So when you've got all these together, they come back up ever so slightly, but we just played. It was in this supply and demand zone. We're at this, it couldn't get beyond it. So I was really confident. But I wasn't taking the trades anyway. Why was I not taking the trades? Colors. The Ninja, this is what we call our Ninja matrix. This keeps us safe of potentially bad trades and keeps us in good trades. Thank you very much. Let's just play this on. Yeah, see that? I went the other way. That's why we have to play with this. But for me, I would have got out there. Why? Because of the change. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop there, ladies and gentlemen. I'm going to change the time frame. This is the 10-minute. Let's take it down to the 3-minute time frame. Less indicators on this. 3-minute time frame, just to show you it's a bit clearer. So, red, green. Price comes up, hits the zone. Yeah. At this point, I look down. I ask myself, are we in a sell zone? No. So I do not do anything.
You can launch products live for people to buy within minutes.
Yep. At this point here, I've got a potential down. See that's what it says down there? That one right there. I look down. It's not quite in a red zone yet. Yeah, we've got a red candle here. It's lined up red there, the candle before. And we do have a few volume red here, but I'm not really feeling the love. Why is that? Look at the size of the volume. Look at the size of the volume. Look at these here, compared to them there, and here. Anyway, it goes down, comes back up, so I was right. At this point here, it goes down again. Yeah. Let's have a look at this one, right there. We could have gotten slightly early, as I said, again, with these here. When these work, these do work. These get us an early entry before the change. Yeah. So we've also got the red for volume. That there. If we were to get an earlier using a red dot, we've got price action telling us to sell. Yeah. What that telling us to sell. What volume telling us to sell. Something's aligned apart from we're a little bit early for this here. Let's go and check our engulfing. There's nothing. So a little bit further along. So I've got a choice. Do I get in there or not? It's a choice. Sometimes you might have to wait. If you were to take that one down to the zone, would you be disappointed with that number of pips, ladies and gentlemen? Thank you very much. One trade. Let's come along. All you're doing is you ask yourself all the time, you're looking for price action. And ideally, we're looking for these to be in a zone. That's in a zone, in a buy zone, but we're in a red, so we stay well away. In a red zone, no. We're now in a red zone at the top. Price is up high again. Yep. It's still going up. At this point, there we get some price action staying down. Look up, nothing. In a green zone. Red there, green zone, there's nothing. At this point here, on a 3-minute, it's saying we're in a down. We're in a red zone, good. And in the volume at the bottom, we can either choose to get in there or wait one candle. Wait everything over here. Let's wait one candle and let's see what happens. Or wait in. Let's just get in. Straight away, we're in a little bit of drawdown. But then what happens? Boom. Thank you very much. Do that again. Boom. Ladies and gentlemen, that's the power of Ninja Colors 2.0. Now, who do you know? Who do you know who would like to take advantage of something like this? Powerful system. It's really simple. All we have to do, ladies and gentlemen, is match the colors. Let me do this for you. It's really simple. Right. Think of red and think of green. Red, green. Traffic lights. Red, green. Colors. Red, green. Red sell. Green buy. All I'm doing is moving these along Now listen, I'll do this again. Further along this time. Okay, here we go. Yep, green here. Green. Green. It says a buy. That says a buy there. That says a buy there. If everyone's all aligned, 1, 2, 3. Price action, one candle further along. Boom. Buy. So as long as we are 1, 2, 3, 4, I'm happy with that. And guess what happens, ladies and gentlemen?
There's 2 instructions.
Thank you very much.
When I say red light, I need you to stop.
Let's go. Here we go.
When I say
Listen
green
to
light,
this music.
I need you to go.
Here we go.
Red light. Green light.
Here we go. Back. Here's one up here. Price goes up. So they're going to break through or come down. We know it came down. When do we enter trade? We do not enter. We do not enter.
Now when the light hits.
If we take these small ones, you'll do well, ladies and gentlemen. Take these small ones, you're doing very well. Thank you very much. 3-minute time frames, 18 minutes, huge volume pips. If you take your time, wait for the right one. Everyone's all aligned. This one here, it comes down, it comes down. Thank you very much. You even choose to get out there. Red. Price action, sell. Multi-time frame, sell. Red, sell. Red, sell. Volume, sell. Ladies and gentlemen, Ninja Colors 2.0 doesn't get any easier than this. And again.
No.
Price is up here.
We know we've all been through kindergarten, people.
Yep. Come down.
A red light and a green light is.
Down. This is a 3-minute on gold, ladies and gentlemen. 3-minute time frame on gold. Push it up to the red area. Ah, there, look. Boom. Not bad for 21 minutes at all, is it? Not bad. Ladies and gentlemen, thanks very much. My name's Jeff Goodwin, Forex Trading for Beginners. If you want to learn Ninja Colors 2.0, come and ask me how. Have a great day. Have a fantastic day wherever you are around the world. And I'll see you where? At the top. Bye for now.